Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete steps to adjust sound and vibration settings on your Poco M8 Pro. If these tutorials help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more useful guides. Now let's begin and set up sound and vibration.